I forgot. Yo, so yesterday I was recording myself in public, and to be honest, I was so embarrassed doing that. And yeah, today is day 17 of Project 50 and maglalaba ako today. And nung isang araw naglaba na rin ako, like hindi ko na kasi pinapatambak. So yeah, share ko lang. So yeah, I was so embarrassed that day, which is yesterday. And hindi ko pa nga siya na-upload kasi walang net dito sa amin. And yes, like I was stuttering paulit-ulit lahat ng sinasabi ko. And actually walang direction lahat ng sinasabi ko, to be honest. And I don't even know how to date myself. So yeah, hindi ko alam ba't ko ginawa yun kahapon. Basta ang nangyari kasi kahapon is, kaya ako napalabas is bibili lang sana ako ng color paper, pero ang layo na narating ko. And syempre minsan lang naman ako gumala dito sa Bicol, so yun na, tinake ko na siya as opportunity. Especially that word, I repeated that several times yesterday. Opportunity. So yeah, Scooby. So yeah, Scooby the dog behind me. So yeah, and another one, that word. So yeah, oh yes, let's go. But okay lang kasi ang saya niya gawin, to be honest. Like andun ka sa public and then everyone is staring at you, like parang first time na lang makita ng tao nagre-record in public. Kasi I was the only one recording myself there sa sentro ng Daet yesterday. Tapos they were like nakatingin sa akin. So hindi ko rin alam ba't ako nahihiya, pero actually wala naman talaga akong dapat ikahiya. So wala, it was fun and another experience. So about that thing, yesterday nabanggit ko na hindi na ako magtatagal dito sa Bicol since yun may mga problema nangyayari. So what my plan is, during this Bicol journey, siguro magtutur-tour na lang ako dito pag nagkapera ako. And mag-i-stick muna ako today sa home workout para if may pera ako, hindi mo na ako mag-gym. And yeah, maglilibot tayo today sa not today, but pag nagkapera ako sa Bicol. So pwede rin later. Hindi, hapon na rin kasi ngayon eh. So right now is 2:23 p.m. and yeah, I'm done with my other Project 50 task. And medyo naging habit ko na siya, to be honest. And the good thing here is I'm confident talking to myself, like in this way, but in public I'm so embarrassed, bro. Like damn it. And it's actually fun to do this. So yeah, if you also want to try this, vlogging yourself, a day in the life, Project 50 or what, you can actually do it, because who's stopping you? Wala namang pipigil siya kundi yung hiya mo eh. So yeah. And yeah, about my feet, actually insecure ako dyan, to be honest, like in this angle. But it's okay, it's actually me. Ganyan ako ginawa ni Lord. So yeah, it's okay to have sungkay. So yeah, today is maglalaba lang naman tayo today. And wala na tayong paka sa mga problemang meron dyan or dito, because that is a natural thing. It depends on us how we react to our problems. So yeah, so can't wait na magkapera ako so we can tour here sa Bicol. So ang next natin pupuntahan is yung last time, which is Bagasbas. And na-upload ko yun sa TikTok ko before, but yeah, magtutour tayo na lang dito sa Bicol since we have only limited time in here. And hindi ko sabihin kung saan akong pupuntang next na lugar kasi biglaan na lang siya. Pwedeng doon, pwedeng dito. Hindi ko alam, pero na-excite din ako minsan ng palipat-lipat ng lugar kasi natututo ako sa iba't ibang environment. Which is a good thing. Siguro, like, yeah, mo na. So, yeah, today there's nothing new. Just me and myself here and with my dog. And yeah, today was great. So far so good. And yeah, maybe I'll train shadow box. And actually boxing is actually part of the skills na inaaral ko. So yung isa is trading and the other one is boxing. So I actually wanted to learn those two physically and yeah, mentally. So yeah. And to be honest, feeling ko nag-i-improve na ako sa boxing. Even though I look stupid last time nung nag-spar kami. Kasi based on that first experience, wearing a headgear is nililimitahan niya talaga yung vision mo. And pero okay lang kasi pang safety na rin. And syempre, first time lang din may sumuntok sa mukha ko ng solid. Until now, ang sakit niya pa rin every time I do this. But it's okay. It's actually a part of kailangan natin masaktan para matuto, di ba? So, yeah. And I'm actually learning how to have more deep relationship with God, and that is actually a good thing, like submitting yourself to God, which is you should actually live yourself nga through God. Like you're like imagine I realized na sobrang liit ng time na ini-spend ko with God, which is I should spend my time like treating her like, for example, I have a girl like that. Pero ang time na nanakausap ko si God is every time I eat and sleep. Actually, those two lang. The time I woke up in the morning, I only proceed to my daily task, and my times na, to be honest, nane-neglect ko si God sa buhay ko, and that is actually a sad part. Yeah. So life is meaningless without God. So yeah, but it depends on us paano natin siya makikilala. And yeah, mas nakilala ko si God more deeply in times na yun nga, madaming problem na pumasok, I'm broken, I'm broke, and He taught me a lot of things. To be honest, I can't hear Him like saying specific words, but He is using different ways, different people to talk to me. So that's it. That's how God works. So maybe you just ask question randomly to God, and then he'll give you answer. Like bigla na lang may tao magsasalita sa iyo, ito yung sagot. So yun. And yeah, actually God actually talked to me through Bible and actually while scrolling in TikTok. So yeah, I'm actually guilty doon sa pag-scroll sa TikTok. Pero yun nga. But I appreciate na nagkakaroon pa rin naman ako ng time. Like I have control naman dun sa pagti-TikTok ko throughout the day. So that's it. Maybe I'll do other tasks after this maglaba, and yeah, mag-jogging ako, mag-shadow box, magte-training, which is supposed to be today. I'm supposed to sana na mag powerlifting program, pero yun nga, sadly I have no money. So yun nga, hanap na natin ng alternatives, which is mag-home workout na lang. And yeah, so that's it for I forgot day 17. Yeah, day 17. Yeah, exactly, day 17. So that's it. See See you tomorrow for day 18. Yeah.